Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the condenser fan blade in this Frigidaire air conditioner, you will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, a putty knife, and a thread locking solution. Before you begin, unplug the unit's power cord. To perform this procedure, you will need to fully uninstall the unit from the wall sleeve or window and set it on a sturdy surface. Now pull out the air filter. Use the number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the grill assembly. With the screws unthreaded, use the putty knife to help pry the grill assembly off. Release the control panel wiring from the retainers to provide enough slack to set the grill aside. Next, unthread the 6 screws to release the rear grill if attached. Unthread the lower screws securing the left and right side air intake screens. Detach the screens from the top to remove. Now unthread the 8 screws securing the unit's cabinet. With the screws unthreaded, lift the cabinet off. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the fan shroud to the base. Now unthread the 6 screws securing the fan shroud to the condenser coils. Use the putty knife to help detach the foam strip insulation from the top of the condenser coils. Separate the shroud from the coils and move the coils out of the way. Using the 10mm socket, rotate the condenser fan blade mounting nut clockwise to unthread. Slide off the lock washer and flat washer, and you can remove the old fan blade. To install the new condenser fan blade, align it on the motor shaft. Then slide on the flat washer and the lock washer. Apply the thread locking solution to the threads of the motor shaft. Then thread the mounting nut on counterclockwise and tighten. Reposition the condenser coils with the shroud. Thread the 6 screws to secure the coils to the shroud. Replace the 2 screws to secure the shroud to the base. Realign the cabinet and rethread the 8 screws. Replace the left and right side air intake screens and rethread the lower screws. If applicable, reinstall the rear grille. Secure the control panel wiring in the retainers. Align the top tabs of the grille assembly with the slots in the top edge of the unit and snap the assembly into position. Thread the 2 mounting screws. Keeping the upper lip facing outward, insert the air filter into the front grille slot. Reinstall the unit in the wall sleeve or window as necessary. Plug the power cord back in, and the air conditioner should be ready for use.